Hi, my name is Kathleen Hemian, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a rubric for your classroom in Rubistar. This is a super helpful website if you don't want to spend a lot of time making your own rubric from scratch for an assignment. You can create an account if you want, but I'm just going to go straight to create rubric. So it's right here. And I've clicked this button and I'm going to find my subject. So whatever your subject is, if you're a science teacher, you'd want to go here, math, music. I'm going to go to art, and I'm going to be doing creating a painting. So the first thing I'm going to put is my name. For my class, I'm going to put Miss and then my last name. And then the title, so creating a painting. Let's say that this assignment is self-portrait. Zip code, so you can enter your zip code here. And then this is the section where you are going to be choosing what you'd like for each category. So what a really important thing for painting skill. How successful were they? And it will give you a 4. 4, application of paint is pre-planned and done in logical sequential matter. And it goes all the way down to 1. Student needs to work on controlling paint and pre-planning. Paint application, muddy colors, ragged edges, lack of texture, drips, and blobs are evident throughout the painting. So a 1 is not very successful, a 4 is exemplary, 3 is good. So as you go down, decide I'm not going to use all of these categories, but I will use time and effort. It's important that they use their class time wisely, put effort in, they worked at home as well as school. For my class, I'm not going to do use of materials since I already have time and effort. I want to do creativity. That's always important because some students may not have the technical skill yet, but their creativity is great, so I want to give points to that. Student has taken the technique being studied and applied it in a way that is totally his or her own. The student's personality and voice comes through. This is important for this assignment to me, especially because it's a self-portrait. So I have 3 categories. I'd like to get up to 5 or 6 just so we have a well-rounded rubric. Another that I would like to involve is planning an explanation. After they've created their work, they're going to be explaining it to the class. So this is important. And then the last one I'm going to do is design and composition. How did they choose how to set it up? Student applies design principles, unity, contrast, balance, movement, direction, emphasis, and center of interest with great skill. That would be exemplary. These are the most important things for this project, and you could go further and do more, but I think that would cover what I would like for my class. So once you've done that, you can go down to the bottom and you're going to click this arrow that says submit to preview the rubric that you've just made. And I can see it has my name. The student will have room to put their name. It has the title, and I have this wonderful rubric that I can use. So I will print this out, and then as I go through each student's work, I will highlight, oh, this student was maybe they were only a 3 in painting skill, but their time and effort was a 4. Amazing. Their creativity was a 3. Planning explanation 4. So each student will have a chance to see why they got the grade. If they got a B, they'll know exactly why. If they got an A, they'll know exactly why. At this point, you can print or download, or you can make available online, up to your choice. So I hope that you enjoyed this screencast about how to make a rubric on Rubistar. Thank you so much for watching.